How to add cards in Google Wallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Wallet on your device. Then click on Add to Wallet at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Enter Details manually. Then enter your card number, your year, security code, and then scroll down and click on Save and Continue. After you've pressed on Save and Continue, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down and you're good to go. This is how to add cards in Google Wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.